Well, good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday weigh-in. So let's go from there, shall we? I weighed in this morning and believe it or not, I was looking for a huge gain, like I was expecting it to be 2, 3, 4 pounds. Nope. Point five. Point five is all I have gained. I am so excited about that. All right, so with stating that, I said I was going to try to get back on track. I am trying. I still have my moments. I have been doing a lot of praying. I have been asking for a lot of protection from God. I have been asking him for a lot of healing. I have been asking him to help me get my life back on track, right? I am in a whirlwind right now with everything going on. And I know he has the answers, and I know he's going to help me, and I know I'm going to be back on top in no time, but I got to get back there. I let another human being bring me down. I'm not doing that. Like, I can't. So, what do I always say, everyone? You got to suck it up, buttercup, right? So, I am trying to suck it up. And I am trying to move forward. Got a lot of irons in the fire. So we'll discuss that. This is going to be super short, super quick. I got to be to work at 11. It is now 10:35. Got to take Buddy out. It is gloomy. It is says it's not going to rain, just says it's going to be cloudy all day. So I don't need any clouds. I need some sunshine. I need sunshine headed my way. So anyway, I watched Roy today. And Roy, you helped me a lot today. Just so you know, you helped me a lot. And I loved your truck ride that you posted, because I am trying to take everything that has happened. I am trying to put all these people into this house, and just trying to push the house away. Push it away. So that, you know what? I don't need it, There's a million trillion people in this world, and that was just one person who really wasn't all that in a bag of chips when I really stop and think about it. So I have to focus not on the good times, but now I need to start focusing on what the hell just happened. So, off with you. I'm trying to move forward, and you know what? It didn't work out for a reason. Why? Because God has my protection. He has me protected. He's not going to let harm come to me. He's not going to let things continue that is not supposed to happen. Why? Because I have faith in God above. I put my all into him, and through him, all things are possible. And my favorite, ready? This too shall pass. And you know what? Just let me tell you, Mr. Jose, aka Pete, you're missing out on me. And I am pretty friggin' wonderful. So, you lose, not me. You lose. And that is all I am going to say about that, because he is not worth my time. He is not worth my thought. He is not worth my energy, right? What goes on, goes on. You know, he told me this one time. He said, and I should have known. Oh my God, this was like the biggest red flag. The biggest red flag. He said, the Spanish people have a saying. I'm like, oh yeah? And he's like, yeah. Eyes that don't see, heart that don't feel. Huh. All right. But guess what, brother? All eyes are on you. All eyes are seeing you. And the day you went in to St. Ambrose Church with me, I'm surprised it's still standing. That's all I got to say. All right. That's all I need to talk about him. That I am trying not to focus, guys, on that. We all know what happened. We all know what went on. And I don't need it no more, right? So if you guys could just say prayers that I can continue every single day to get over it, to where one day I am laughing about this and I am not crying or get upset, I would appreciate it. I appreciate all the prayers that I can get right now for my healing, and that I can actually climb out of debt, because I am in debt. Like, he wiped me clean. Like, I have nothing. No savings, no nothing. I have spent so much money, so much everything. So I need to get back out of debt. I need to, and all I have are what the bills are right now that I am still not being able to really cover that well. I came in here, I moved back home behind, and I have not gotten caught back up. So it's just seeping down, seeping down, seeping down, seeping down. So if I could get prayers, I would so appreciate it. Just keep me in those prayers that you guys have going on. So the good part is that I have ate nothing but crap and it's not showing. So that means that I am still being protected, right? And that also means that I really have to get myself and kick my butt into gear and get going. Get going. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. That's what I'm going to do. I am at this point, I have an interview coming up for a manager's position where I work right now. And I am telling this right now out loud. I am claiming that if it is not $4 plus more an hour, I'm not taking it, because it's not worth it to me to be having all the stress, having all the hours, having all of this stuff come down. They really expect their managers to be able to handle so much that is really unnecessary to even have to be doing. Everything is so computerized right now. There's no reason managers should still be doing pen and paper. But anyway, so that is what I am claiming. I have told God that if it's meant to be, I will get $4+ more an hour. If this position is not for me and there's something else, somewhere else I'm supposed to head, then that is what I am exactly going to do, is I am going to try to focus on where it is I'm supposed to go. I talked to my friend this morning, Kathy, who you guys had seen when I had met up with her. We took pictures. And she gave me some good advice today too. She told me that I should picture a road, and I should picture both of us walking down the road, but I should picture he goes this way and I keep straight, and I am still headed on my road. I am still headed on the road that I'm supposed to go on and that I'm supposed to be on. So that is what I am trying to do, and that is what I will do, because you know what? Through God, all things are possible. And that is in my forefront. That is going to be right here in my brain. And I don't know, like, I don't know about all the past. This is what I also have to keep reminding myself, is I cannot change 2 seconds ago, but I can change the next 2. So that is also what is right here in my brain, right here. So I have to focus on what's coming up my way the next 2 seconds, not what's already been done. So the past is in the past. It's over. It's done. So I have few dollars for groceries right now. So I really have to come up with some clever things. And I've been eating a lot of pasta at the moment because why? It's so cheap. And it's what I have in the house. So that is going to be my next thing, is trying to come up with different little things. I do have eggs. So I did have 2 pieces of toast this morning. And it was the Great Value whole wheat. So 1 piece of toast is 1 point. So 2 pieces of toast was 2 points. I used my spray butter. I had 2 soft-boiled eggs this morning, and that was my breakfast along with coffee. So as far as points go, I'm at 2 points right now. For lunch, I will have some muscatoli that I made. I still have, I guess, lunch and dinner for tonight. I have to go in, see what's in my freezer to be able to take that out for dinner also. I am working till 7. I'm 11 to 7 today. So I am working till 7 o'clock tonight. So by the time I get home, it might be a bowl of Frosted Flakes. That's probably what I'm going to have. And I only have those because they have those little cups, you know, where you just peel off the lid and pour the milk inside. So that is 4 points for the Frosted Flakes and that little cup, along with skim milk. And I only use a half a cup of skim milk. So that is probably going to be dinner. So my total points, I'm going to be probably way under points today. We shall see, as long as I can stay out of the snack aisle at work. All right, guys. I said this was going to be short. I start rambling, and I am still rambling. So I am going to get ready. I am going to head out to work. Thank goodness I do not have far to go. So I will get this edited probably at work, and I will get this posted. So again, I am only up 0.5 pounds. 0.5. So all the snacks, all the candies, all the everything that I have eaten, absolutely no, 0.5 pounds effect, right? All right. Think skinny, think positive, and everybody wake up and thank God for a new day, a new beginning. And each new beginning, we have the next 2 seconds coming our way to try to change what's going on and to better us, to better our position. So let's focus on those 2 seconds, no matter what that may be in your life. If that next 2 seconds is spending more time for yourself, if that next 2 seconds is spending time with family, if that next 2 seconds means you need a career decision, we're going to focus on the next 2 sections. And the next 2 sections also, we're focusing on our weight, we're focusing on our health, and we're trying to get better. So let's try to make good decisions the next 2 seconds. All right, everybody, take care. My name's Kim. This is Life Over 55 with Kim. Until we meet again, my friends. Mwah! Bye.